In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating series using ChatGPT. This process will guide you through developing a 5-episode lighthearted mystery series featuring a fascinating character, all with the assistance of AI. Let's dive right in to see how you can bring your story to life. First things first, we need to open ChatGPT. Head over to chatopenai.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick to create one, and you'll be able to access a wide array of creative possibilities. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with your workspace. Our next step is to start a fresh chat. You'll want to click on New Chat, located in the left sidebar. This will open a new conversation window where we can begin brainstorming without the clutter of previous ideas. It ensures your new creative venture remains organized and focused. Now that we have a clean slate, it's time to give ChatGPT some clear instructions. I've crafted a handy prompt for you to use. Simply copy and paste this into the chat. I want to create a 5-episode lighthearted mystery series. Each episode should be about 700 words. The main character is a witty librarian named Mara, who solves odd crimes in her town. Write an outline for all 5 episodes, then draft episode 1. What you're doing here is setting the stage for ChatGPT by providing key elements such as the series format, tone, episode length, and your intriguing main character. These directions will help the AI generate content that's aligned with your vision. After quickly receiving the outline in episode 1 from ChatGPT, the next part is to review and refine the content provided. Carefully read through the outline and episode 1 draft to ensure it aligns with your creative goals. If you'd like certain aspects to have a different flair, you can enter your feedback directly to ChatGPT. For instance, you might want to request, make episode 1 faster paced, or add a humorous sidekick. These instructions will help you shape the narrative to better fit your storytelling style. When you're satisfied with the initial part, it's time to continue the series into new episodes. You can easily prompt ChatGPT to continue the journey by asking, write episode 2 of the Mara mystery series, same length and tone. This will ensure the continuity and coherence of your narrative as you progress through the series. Finally, don't forget to save your work. After creating and reviewing your episodes and outlines, ensure you have saved copies on your computer or preferred storage platform. It's always wise to have a backup of your creative work. And there you have it. With these steps, you've harnessed the power of AI to craft an episodic mystery series. Keep exploring different elements, and who knows where Mara's adventures will take her.